Add logo, solid layer, and text, and arrange them. Add a rectangle shape layer, and set the anchor point to the center of the shape. Next, duplicate the shape layer. Add position keyframes to the shape layers. Adjust the keyframes. Next, add scale keyframes to the shape layers. Next, add position keyframes to the text layer. Adjust the keyframes. Next, change the keyframes to Easy Ease, and change its keyframe graph. Next, add scale keyframes to the shape layer 1 at the end of its position. Next, add a solid layer for masking, name it Mat 1. Adjust it on the text layer, and drag it above the text layer. Let's make pre-compose the text and its below solid layer. Next, select the alpha mat. Set the mat layer as child of the shape layer 2 for move the mat along with the shape layer 2. Next, duplicate the mat layer. Drag it above the logo. Next, select the alpha mat for the logo. Next, open the position properties of the mat 2 and shape layer 1, and parent to the shape layer 1. Adjust the anchor point of the mat 2.